passes, but after that, I think you okay? After the game, or after that, I think it was very, very comfortable. I think, okay, maybe we don't score as many goals as you would like, and we don't finish some of the chances that we have, but in terms of possession, I think it was very, very comfortable for us. So no, look, if somebody asked me before the game, 3-0 win, I'd take it, so I'm very happy.
Thank you so much.
សម្រាប់ការយកឃើញរបស់លោកគ្រូគឺពាក់ព័ន្ធទៅនឹងការប្រកួតនេះយើងឃើញ5នាទី10នាទីមុនដំបូងគឺក្រុមរបស់យើងគឺយើងបានន័យថាយើងពិបាកបន្តិចហើយបន្ទាប់ពីហ្នឹងមកគឺយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមមានទំនុកចិត្តនៅក្នុងការលេងវិញហើយសម្រាប់យើងក៏មានឱកាសមួយចំនួនដែលយើងអត់បានបញ្ចប់ទីហើយជាចុងក្រោយបើសិនជាមុនការប្រកួតគេសួរថាយកឈ្នះ 3-0 ហ្នឹងឲ្យហើយបាច់ខ្លួនឬក៏បាច់គាត់ឲ្យយើងយកអញ្ចឹងយើងសប្បាយចិត្តជាមួយទៅនឹងលទ្ធផល
Thank you so much. Phan Mến, congratulations for being the MVP tonight.
Thank you.
What do you think about the game?
What I can say is it's the first game of the group and we wanted to be in a good position, so we came all out and by the grace of God we had the 3 points and 3 goals and that's the most important thing, so we thank everybody.
សម្រាប់ការយកឃើញរបស់ Family គឺពិតជាមានសារៈសំខាន់មែនទែនចំពោះប្រកួតទី1ដែលយើងអាចយកឈ្នះការប្រកួតបានជាមួយទៅនឹង 3-0 អញ្ចឹងវាជាការប្រកួតទី1គឺយើងត្រូវការចំណាត់ថ្នាក់មួយដែរឡើយ
Okay, thank you so much. Let me pass the floor to our baby. Please say your name for the message.
សួស្តីបងខ្ញុំចំបន់មកពី VC ដោយបាននេះថាឃើញថាការប្រកួតនេះហាក់បីដូចជាតាំងតឹងហើយក៏ឃើញថាមានកន្លែងល្អតែអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់ការប្រកួតក្រោយគាត់អាចមានកន្លែងណាត្រូវការបន្ថែមទៀត
And when we see the game, and some moment is the like a tough moment, and we also get some mistakes. And for this game, what is the correction for in terms of the game today?
Just again, it's a kind of it's a common thing with us. So we control every game we play. We control most of the possessions. Just trying to convert that into more chances. It's not the easiest thing. It's much easier to play without the ball and try and counter attack because teams are more open when we want to have the ball and control the game. It's much more difficult to try and break teams down when they have a lot of men behind the ball. But yeah, it's a process that we're going on and we've started the last 4 months, and I don't think it's something we can fix